Types of stains on teeth. The color of a person's teeth varies and can change for a variety of reasons. Stains can affect confidence and self-esteem when you smile, so it is natural to want to eliminate discoloration once it appears. What are the types of dental stains? According to the cause, the stains on the teeth can be extrinsic. Stains are due to external factors such as pigments that come into contact with the tooth. Some examples are food or drinks, medications, tobacco, bacteria, exposure to metals, people who work with copper or iron. Intrinsic. This type of stain occurs due to alterations in the internal composition of the tooth, thereby changing its color. Some examples are diseases, medications, dental caries, dental materials, pulp necrosis, fluorosis, etc. Do teeth change color with age? The answer is yes. Teeth have two layers, an inner layer called dentin and an outer layer called enamel. The dentin is yellowish in color and usually gives the teeth their color, while the enamel is usually more transparent. Over the years, the enamel wears down and becomes thinner while the dentin becomes thicker, making it easier to see the yellowish color of the dentin. When this happens, light passes through the tooth less easily, making it look duller. Is it possible to avoid the appearance of stains on the teeth? Although stains on teeth are sometimes caused by factors beyond our control, most stains can be prevented. These are some ways to avoid stains on the teeth. Maintain proper oral hygiene. Avoid excessive drinks with pigments. Use a straw. Do not smoke. Visit the dentist every 6 months to clean and control the dental restorations already in place. How to safely remove stains from teeth. For a safe and effective stain treatment, it is advisable to see a dentist who will determine the cause of the discoloration and prescribe the best available solution. These are some techniques to remove stains from teeth: dental prophylaxis, dental microabrasion, teeth whitening, office teeth whitening at home, etc. Thank you very much for the explanation. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, St. Paula, Ventura, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.